Hello, good morning. Is this a city care clinic?
Yes, good morning. City Care Clinic. How can I help you?
I want to make an appointment with a doctor.
Sure. Which doctor would you like to see?
I would like to see a general doctor.
Okay. Is this your first visit to our clinic?
Yes, this is my first visit.
All right. Can you tell me what problem you are having?
I have not been feeling well for the last 2 days.
What kind of problem are you having?
I have a fever and I feel very weak.
I understand. Do you need an appointment today?
Yes, if possible, I would like to see the doctor today.
Let me check the available time.
Sure, please check.
We have one slot at 4 p.m. today.
Is there any time before 4 p.m.?
Sorry, all the earlier slots are already booked.
Okay, then 4 p.m. is fine for me.
All right. I will book the 4 p.m. slot for you.
Thank you. How long does the appointment usually take?
It usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes.
Okay, how early should I come?
Please come at least 10 minutes before your appointment.
Okay, I will try to reach there early.
That's good.
What if I get late?
If you are going to be late, please call us and let us know.
Okay, I will call if there is any delay. Can I ask one more thing?
Sure. Please go ahead.
How much is the doctor fee?
The consultation fee is 500 rupees.
Okay, can I pay by UPI?
Yes, you can pay by UPI or cash.
That's fine.
Would you like me to book the appointment now?
Yes, please.
May I have your full name, please?
My name is Rahul Kumar.
Can you spell your name, please?
Yes, RAHUL, Rahul.
Thank you. May I have your phone number?
Yes, my number is 9876543210.
Thank you.
Do I need to bring my ID?
Yes, please bring your ID.
Okay, I will bring them.
If you have any old medical reports, you can bring them too.
Can you please tell me the clinic address?
Sure. We are near the main bus stand, opposite the city mall.
Okay, is there parking available?
Yes, there is parking near the clinic.
That's helpful, thank you.
We will also send you a confirmation message.
Okay, when will I receive it?
You should receive it within a few minutes.
Alright, I will check my phone.
Your appointment is confirmed for today at 4 p.m.
Great, thank you for booking it.
You're welcome. So, Rahul, your appointment is today at 4 p.m.
Yes, I understand today at 4 p.m.
Please arrive 10 minutes early.
Sure, I will reach there by 3:50 p.m.
Perfect.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Take care.
Thank you, have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.